Are you tired of your commercial ice maker failing at the worst possible moments? It's frustrating and inconvenient every time. Ignoring small issues can quickly turn into costly repairs, leaving your restaurant without ice when you need it most. Many restaurant managers wait too long or attempt quick fixes that don't last, causing frustration and lost customers. With the Charlottesville Commercial Ice Maker Repair Guide, you'll learn the insider tips to keep your equipment running smoothly. This guide helps you spot early signs of damage and understand simple maintenance that prevents breakdowns, saving you time and money. Imagine running your kitchen or bar knowing ice will always be ready. No stress, no delays for you or your staff. With reliable ice production, your operation stays efficient and your guests happy every day, every service shift. Don't let ice maker troubles ruin your day. Use the guide now and safeguard your business from unexpected failures. Click the link to access your step-by-step repair and maintenance guide. Call 540 457 4822 today.